Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some marinated chicken legs on my kettle. So let's get cooking. For marinade, I'm using this roasted red pepper Italian dressing. I put my chicken in that last night before I went to bed and then just put it in the fridge. So it's been in there, I guess, about 15 hours or so. I used that dressing on some chicken thighs not too long ago and they turned out really good, so I figured I'd try it on the legs. Any kind of Italian dressing makes a good marinade. It's one of my favorites. I use Italian dressing for marinade pretty often for chicken, and it's pretty good on pork as well. So I'm just going to cook these indirect. I'm using lump charcoal. This is Full Circle Market lump charcoal. This stuff burns pretty good, burns pretty hot. I like it. So just start these off indirect and we'll see how that goes. I usually cook chicken pretty hot, so I'll start out leaving the vents all the way open and see how that goes. And I'm just going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt and also a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this a lot. Besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. So I use this seasoning a lot. I'm using the slow and sear. I didn't put any water in there. I don't think I really need it for chicken. If you don't have a slow and sear, just pile your coals on the back of the kettle there. Done that many times. Looks like everything is pretty good here, so I'm just gonna get the lid on. I'm not using any wireless thermometers or anything. I'm just gonna kind of keep an eye on the chicken. And like I said, the vents are all the way open for right now. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna check the chicken here. That thermometer is pegged at 600 degrees, so it's pretty hot. The chicken looks good. I think I'm gonna turn it over, see how it looks. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn these all over now. It looks nice and juicy. Now I'm gonna season this side. A little bit more kosher salt and a little bit more Johnny's seasoned pepper. Then we'll just get the lid back on there and let it cook some more. These have been on there a little more than an hour, so let's take a look here. Those look pretty good. I did kind of shuffle them around a few times, but I think they look pretty good. I'm going to check the temperature of one of these. Usually for chicken, you want it to be at least 165. But for legs, I usually like it more like 175 or 180 because I think it makes the meat a little bit more tender, and chicken legs usually won't dry out anyway. 176. I think these are good. I'm going to get them off of there. Well, these look pretty good. Let's try one out here. Italian dressing marinated chicken is always good. That red pepper dressing, really good on that chicken. Time for Anna, the taste test dog, to try it. I guess I better not give her a whole bone. Don't want to kill her. I already have a dead wife. Don't need a dead dog too. This chicken is really good. Thanks for watching. See you guys.